So I'm just sitting here scanning the latest rumors on the Mini 3. In this video, I will share what the current rumors are around the price and the release date for the DJI Mini 3. Remember, these are rumors that might be subjected to change, but it seems there will be two models available, a standard model and a Pro version. There's not yet information about what the difference is between these two versions, but I would reckon this would be something similar that we have seen with the Autel Nano and the Nano Plus, that it would be the camera that will make the difference between the two models. Apart from that, the two models are likely to be identical, with obstacle avoidance in front, rear and bottom, and with the camera supported by a 3-axis gimbal, and not like previous claimed 2-axis with digital stabilization. Both the standard and the Pro version will be available in 3 configurations. A standard edition with just a plain remote and the drone by itself, and a Fly More combo with all the usual stuff like extra batteries and maybe some ND fillers, a bag, and all what we have come to expect from a Fly More combo kit. Finally, there is, as expected, a third option that includes a new smart controller type that is called DJI RC, which is a controller with a built-in high brightness screen. This is, as far as I can see, not the same as the RC Pro that's already on the market, but nevertheless something I would be looking forward to. And the following price predictions have been leaked in Chinese yen, and if we translate those into euro, we will get the following prices. Let's add US dollars as well. And a quick glance at the list reveals that the entry-level price of $528 is significantly more expensive than the current Mini 2, and it tops out in the Pro version with the presumably better camera and the smart controller at $1,280, which is kind of a lot of money for a consumer hobby drone. So what do you think? Are these price levels too high? And what do you expect additionally to be included to justify that price point? So when are we gonna see the Mini 3? According to the latest rumor, DJI has scheduled a product training of new products on April the 20th. So a really good guess would be April 28th for a release date, which makes it consistent with the previous rumors that we would see this in April. Are you going to get the Mini 3, and what configuration are you going for? Let me know in the comments below. Further, you might have noticed that I'm pushing out quite a few shorts on the channel, and that is because I am participating in a shorts course where I'm practicing and honing my skills in making shorts. But don't be afraid, I'm not abandoning my long form content here on the channel, so don't worry about that. And if you don't like the shorts format, then simply skip over the videos and continue some of the other stuff that I'm releasing. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.